Another sad news for Amapagania fans and players, guys. They say Victor Hlongwane, the principal of sport, says that there is no case following their appeal against ST Lupopo, guys. That means Amapagania won't be able to play CAF, guys. So here's Victor Hlongwane explaining why he says there is no case against ST Lupopo, guys.
CAF national teams use a passport. Now, if you say somebody has got 2 passports, how many people have got 2 passports? Dennis Onyango has got 2. Kennedy Muene has got 2.
But he explained the 2 passports. He said the country's changed.
Now you go on and say you protesting about what? Players, the CMS that we punch the players on the system. If the player is suspended, the CMS will refuse. The same as the PSL. If you punch a player who is suspended, the CMS will say no, player ineligible. Now you come to the coach. The coach does not play football. You protest against the coach. It does not influence the results of the match. So where is the case there? I don't see any case. I've been in these games, CAF, and I've seen it all.
You were a CAF referee?
Yes, FIFA referee will punch the system, and the system will say player ineligible. So I look at all. I don't see a case. Nothing. I don't see a case. That's why the fixture is out, and the games are going to be played.
Yep, guys, that was Victor Hlongwane explaining why there is no case, guys. He says that there is no case, guys, so that is why the fixture is out. I don't know what's your take on this one, guys. You can leave your reviews or opinion down in the comment section below. I love to hear from you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.